Samsung's Galaxy S24 series, with its much-anticipated launch set for January 17, has been making waves even before its official debut. Leaks and rumors have given us a sneak peek, especially of the S24 Ultra, which sports a sleeker design with a flat screen, differing from the curved screen of its predecessor. This model seems to have refined aesthetics and a new camera setup, replacing the 10x periscope lens with a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while the standard S24 and S24 Plus might feature Samsung's Exynos 2400 in certain regions. With advanced AI capabilities hinted at in leaks, the series is shaping up to be a tech enthusiast's dream. While official details, especially pricing, are still under wraps, these new models promise a mix of sophistication and cutting-edge technology, making them a strong choice for both Samsung loyalists and new users alike.